Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm bringing you another airdrop opportunity called the GPU Network Airdrop. What is GPU Network? GPU Network is a blockchain platform that links people with spare GPU power worldwide, offering affordable, scalable computing for AI, blockchain and other big tasks. For this airdrop, you can earn GPU tokens by completing a few tasks. As you can see, it's already raised 6 million in funding, and the best part is it's confirmed airdrop. If you look at their investors, as you can see, you can find some tier 3 and tier 4 investors backing them. If you visit their X handle, as you can see, they have 56k followers at the time of making this video, and they are active here. As you can see, they have shared the airdrop details with partners, including lots of well-known names, and they are really active here to build a strong community, which is a good sign. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now let's move on how we can join this airdrop. So I'll provide the joining link in the description. You can click that link and land on their airdrop page, which looks like this. After that, first you need to connect your wallet. Here I'm connecting my MetaMask wallet. Click connect, approve, then click sign message. Wait a bit and click confirm. So my wallet is connected now. Here you can claim your daily points every day. You will receive 2 GXP every day. You will see lots of tasks here and you need to complete them all. For example, connect your X account. Click connect. Then authorize. And it's done. Next, follow their X account. And click verify. And it's done. So next, follow another X account. And click verify. And it's done also. So similarly, you need to complete all of these tasks to boost your points. Here in this section you will find more tasks, so complete each of these to boost your points. After completing all the tasks, here as you can see, you will be eligible for the GXP multiplier option. Finally, you can share your referral link with friends to boost your earnings. I'll give you all the updates, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.